do a video today to show you how to change your headlights if you're in the UK from right hand drive to left hand drive. You might be going across to the continent, and rather than sticking beam deflectors on your headlight lens, there is a sneaky little way to do it. So right, we've got Ian doing the work today. So you've got to take your headlight out, which sounds scary, but it's actually really easy. You could do this while you're waiting for the ferry. Pop your bonnet up, pop the grill out. So you've got these little spring clips you've got to push down here. We've done another video on that. And then you've got some little clips you've got to, Ian will show us when we've got them out. Your grill might look a bit different to that. You've got these little spring clips you've got to release at the bottom. If you have a look in your grill, we've got a Disco 4 look grill there, which is on our website. So then, yeah, you've got to pull your headlights out. So there's a little thing there you've got to pull up, and that, if you look at the front, you can see there's this little circular bit, and there's like a keyhole, and you've got to get the round bit there lined up. And then there's another slider, we'll call them sliders. And just, you go, and we've just taken this one out. They can be a bit tight. Yeah, we'll get some pliers on it. That's it. Sometimes you've got to wiggle them just a little bit up and down just to get the headlight. Right, and then you pull it forward, and then you've got to press the little button on the top to release that connector. Well, let's just have a look how those little slidey bits work. So if you slide it down, there we go. You can see there, you've got that, and that catches on these little sort of docking nipply bits there. So it's dead easy to take out. Right then, where are we going to do that? Let's put that on. Where are we going to put that? Put that on this bench here. We'll clean the bench now. Right, so this is your headlight. So this is your dip beam here. Now this, we've got to point out, is only for xenon headlights. So if you just flip the headlight over here, xenon headlights, you'll have this thing here that looks like a sort of eyeball thing. If on the one that's next to your indicator, if you've got two where you can actually see the bulb like that, you've got H4, and you won't be able to do this. So you've got to have the xenon headlights with the glass eye. On the back, notice, yeah, there is high voltage behind here when it's on. It's all okay when it's dead. I think they work at 24,000 volts, these xenon bulbs. So rotate that anti-clockwise, and then it peels out. Okay.
Tight seal on there.
It's got a tight seal, keep it dry. Let me have a little peer inside. Now you don't actually have to take the headlight out, actually. You probably could try and do it. I suggest you do. There's a little lever down the side. Now, and you can flick that up or down, but let me show you how it works now, and then you'll understand more. So to show you how it works, and this could be if you're changing your xenon bulb, actually, you might title this video how to change your xenon bulb as well. So if you rotate that anti-clockwise a little bit, pull that out, and that removes this cap, okay? So that's where your high voltage comes from, and reveals your bulb. Now there's two little springy ears that you squidge in and lift up, and allows you to remove one xenon bulb. Let's have a look at that bad boy. So that is the xenon gas discharge bulb. Take care with that. Don't touch the glass bit, because the oils off your fingers get hot. Right, and what that reveals is in there. Right, if you want to hold that up to the, let's hold it up to the light and have a look through it. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Well, we're going to try and put that. There we go. Right, and oh, okay. So let's have a look how this works. Well, that's doing something. Okay, so with the lever down, you can see we've got that cut off there. So we've got that slope going up to the left, and it's slightly higher. Now, if I lift this lever up, you'll see a plate come up on the right side there, which makes it level. Did you see that? And then if I push it down again, you see that drop. So if you're driving over to France, what you need to do is push the lever up, okay, which brings that plate up and will give you a level beam. So you'll have no kick up on the left, and that's okay. So you don't actually need to take the bulb out, you just need to move that lever. It's a little bit, you can see it quite clearly in the shot there, just there. And try and poke it out, point it with the screwdriver, just there, just at the end of my screwdriver corner there. If you do that, then you'll have your beam set level. Actually, I think you can leave it level and it'll still pass the UK MOT. But that's how to do it, and that will get you over to France, no problem.